Question 2 is all about measuring, and question 2 will be on the next, I think, 2 to 3 slides, okay? It says, it says, each student in the class put a sticky note on the graph to show the pet they like best. Use the graph below to answer the questions. So this is our graph, and students voted for the pets that they liked the best. Each sticky note is a vote for one student. So all of these smiley faces or sticky notes are the people that voted for dogs. These are the people that voted for cats. And these are the people that voted for hamsters. The first 2 questions say, how many students like cats the best? And how many students like hamsters the best? So use this chart or this graph to help you figure out how many students like cats and hamsters the best. I need to give you a little hint. When you're answering your question, don't just write a number, because if you just write a number, I have no idea what you're talking about. I don't know if you're talking about apples or airplanes. When you tell me the number, make sure you write the number or the word students after. And the word students is right here. So if you think that 6 people like cats, then you'll write 6 students. Please make sure you give me that label, which is students.